Do you want to know how to make YouTube shorts from other people videos? Well, then you have come to the right video because I am going to show you exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes in this process. So first of all, make sure that your YouTube is opened up here, and I will click on this trending option onto the top left. Then I will click on music here, and then let's suppose I want this Bollywood hit list, and I just wanted to use this song, like I wanted to make a short from this song. So I will click on this one and let it just load the description for us, because we have the options there actually. In the song here, we will actually scroll to the right into this list, and you will see this option here which is like a remix. So you will click on this remix here, and now here you can see like these two options here. Okay, so the first one is sound and the second one is cut. Now if you want to use the music of this video into your own v- video, then you can use this first option, which is this sounds option. And if you want to actually react to a specific part of this song, or if you want to make a duet with this song, then you can use this cut option here. So I will show you both ways. So we will choose sound from here. So now here you can see like multiple different options, and you can actually crop this song for 15 seconds. And if you just like move this slider to the right and left, you can actually select the different part of the song, but maximum for like 15 seconds. And then you just have to like uh, press and hold this red option, and your video will start the recording here. Okay, and you can add clips as well. If you click on clips, then you can add different types of clips, and the music will be added to those clips. This one right here, and then you will click on like done here. So it will actually process the video for us, so we just have to like wait here. So let it just process for us. Let's take option here, and now if I turn up the volume here, you can see this music here. Okay, so that's the one way of actually. So now just then you have to click next, and then you actually have to caption your short and add tags, and then you just have to click on this upload short option here. Okay, so that's the first way. Okay, so the second way, and if you want to make a duet, and if you want to actually react to the 5 seconds of this video, you will click on this cut option here, and then you have to choose the 5 seconds of this video. Okay, so then you will click on next here, and it will actually like process the video here. So I'm gonna pause this from here. So let's just not pause. So now from here you can see like different options here. You can actually switch the timing of this clip on by clicking onto the top right where it says like 15 seconds. You can actually record like 15 and 60 seconds clips. So I'm just gonna record a little clip here by tapping onto the red button here. So let's just record a clip, and then I will show you that how this thing will work. Okay, so I will select 15, and I'm gonna record a clip here, and I will click on next here. So as you can see here, so this is basically the stitch on TikTok. Okay, so you'll click on next here, and then again you will just like caption your short, and you will upload your short. So that's are basically the two ways that how to make YouTube shorts from other people videos. So we hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about this topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.